This is a video of me pulling and resetting 15 different fire alarm pull stations. If some of you guys haven't noticed, I have not been uploading that much content lately. I've been very busy with my job and very busy with other things in life that prevent me from uploading as much as I used to. Let's get to the video. Let's start off by pulling my Firelight BG10. Push in and pull down. Next right here is my Firelight BG12LX pull station. Push it in and pull it down. Next off is my ADT BG12L. Pulls down like that. Next right here is my Cerberus Pyrotronics MS51 pull station. This one's going to be hard to pull. Since this thing is really hard to pull down with one hand, I have to hold it with another hand. There it goes. Right over here is my Simplex 4251-20 or 4251-20. This one pulls down like that. Right over here is my Simplex 4251-21. Right here is another Simplex 4251-21. Right here is my Simplex 2099-9795 single action pull station. And right here is my Simplex 2099-9756 dual action pull station. Right over here is my Edwards 278 SPO fire alarm pull station. And right over here is my Edwards 278 SPO local alarm pull station. Right over here is my Edwards 278B1120. Lift the handle and pull it down. Right over here is my ADT 5012-006 pull station. You open this and you pull the thing down like that. This door is held by a magnet, so when it closes, it stays closed. And here's my Firewolf Napco T-bar. I don't remember the exact model of this. And here's my General Electric dual action T-bar. Let's get on to resetting these. Let's start off by resetting my Firelight BG10. Let's close it up. Now it's all reset. Let's get to the Firelight BG12LX. It opens like this. And this one has a module on the inside. And we'll close it up. And turn the key to the right. And it's reset. Now let's get to the ADT BG12L. We'll put the key in. Turn it to the left. Open it. This one does not have a module. You close it up. And it's reset. Let's get to the Cerberus Pyrotronics MS51 pull station. Now this one's all reset. Let's get to my Simplex 4251-20. This one has a plastic button, and you close it up and lock it up. Let's reset my Simplex 4251-21. This one right here has a metal button instead of a plastic button. Close like this and take the key out. Let's reset my other 4251-21. This one is really rusted and corroded. This was an abandoned building find. And I had to put a new spring in this because the original one was all rusted out. Let's reset my Simplex 2099-9795 addressable single action T-bar. This is where you set your address. And here's the module on the back right here. And then you close it up and take the key out. That came from Kyle D'Amato. Let's reset my dual action Simplex 2099-9756 dual action T-bar. And this one's a conventional one. This one opens to the right and has a plastic button. And this one was manufactured not too long ago. It was manufactured back in 2019. Close it to the left and take the key out. Let's reset my Edwards 278 SBO fire alarm pull station. Whoops. I need a smaller screw on this one. Now I got a smaller screwdriver. Let's reset it. This one takes a screwdriver to reset it. You unlock it, and this one is a switch. You flip it to the bottom, and you close it up. Now let's reset my Edwards 270A SBO local alarm pull station. This one also takes a screwdriver. And this one is a little bit different. This one has a smaller switch. Flip it down and close it up. And flip the switch up and close it up. Let's reset my Edwards 270 AP1120. You open the key up to the left. Flip the switch up. And then it goes bottom and first, then the bottom and first, then the top. Close it up and lock the key to the right. Now it's all reset. Let's reset my ADT 5012-006. This one takes a screwdriver. You have to unscrew this middle screw until it starts going down. Actually, you have to take the screw out all the way. Then you take it down, and this one has a switch. And then you pull this switch back up if you can. There it goes. And now you put this screw back in. But not all the way. Now it's all reset. Now let's reset my Napco Firewolf T-bar. This one opens up to the left. You have to flip the handle up and then close it up. And it's reset. Now I'm going to reset my General Electric dual action T-bar. Same as the Firewolf. It takes a hex key. You have to open it to the left. Flip the handle up. Put the thing down. And it's all reset. That was a video of me pulling and resetting 15 different fire alarm pull stations. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram at Firearms of Long Island, New York. Have a nice day, and I'll see you soon.